All right, what's up, everyone? Welcome to the beginner series of the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. We're going to be going over some beginning marketing topics for people who are looking to get into digital marketing. Today, our lesson is going to be what is search engine marketing, also referred to as SEM. Search engine marketing is strictly paid ads on search engine results pages, also referred to as the SERPs. And you'll see note search engine optimization, SEO, is not the same as SEM. So, search engine marketing involves you paying for advertisement, paying for placement on search engine results pages, whereas search engine optimization, you're looking for organic traffic when it comes to SEO. When it comes to SEM, you're paying for that traffic. Anytime you're targeting keywords in a search engine and your ad shows up, that's search engine marketing. Any ad that you see show up on Google, on Bing, other search engines, that's search engine marketing. It's not search engine advertisement or search engine optimization, because these are actual advertisements that are showing up on the search engine results pages. Some popular search engine marketing channels. Um, Really, anywhere that people can go and search keywords, any search engine where people can go look up things and there's ad placements is going to be considered a search engine marketing channel. So Google AdWords, Bing ads are the two huge ones. Pinterest ads is one. So when you consider someone going to Pinterest, you can target keywords as an advertiser. It's really just a big search engine. It's just returning pictures, it's returning visual images rather than words and rather than results. Definitely Pinterest ads would be a search engine marketing channel. Yahoo Gemini. So Yahoo doesn't have the greatest advertising platform, but their Gemini platform is their search engine marketing channel. We don't really use it because I've never been able to get great results from it. Another example, kind of unique, YouTube search ads. So if you go to YouTube right now and search marketing, search anything, you'll see some couple ads pop up. So those are considered search engine marketing ads because YouTube is a search engine. When someone goes in and types in, something into YouTube and their ad shows up, that's considered a search engine marketing ad, because you're targeting someone with your advertisement through a search engine. Just some quick examples here. So Google, you type in accounting software. Every single thing you see on this page is an ad. We look over here. Here's an ad for NetSuite. You have shop on Google Ads over here for FreshBooks and some different accounting software. So everything you see here on this screen right now is an ad. These are all search engine marketing ads. Okay, so now next we go down and we see a search for football cleats. So here's five different Google shopping ads here, and it's just different football cleats, and these are all advertisers. You can see three are Nike, one is Adidas, one is Under Armour. These are all advertisers that are putting their ads up through the Google Shopping platform, and then they can actually show image ads, or they used to be referred to as product listing ads. They're considered shopping ads now. These are search engine marketing ads, an example of it. We go down to Bing. So I search travel deals. Every single thing on this page, besides the related searches, is a search engine marketing ad. Punta Cana vacation packages at Book It, AARP, Hotwire, Expedia, Trivago, Atlantis, Bahamas, Travelocity, and Kayak. So these are all different search engine marketing ads. And Kayak is what appear to have the highest ad rank for this particular search, which means they have the highest quality score and the highest bid. So they're probably bidding maybe slightly higher, maybe similar to these other advertisers, probably slightly higher. And they also have really good quality scores. So you see travel deals, it's a very good ad. Travel deals, Las Vegas, Cancun, Orlando, Punta Cana. Definitely a good search engine marketing ad here. And then last but not least, I just want to show you a Pinterest example. So if you go into Pinterest and search pretty much anything, but we just search pendant lights here, you can see this is an ad here from Birch Lane. This is an ad from what looks like Bellacore, and this is an ad here from jossandmain.com. So these are all promoted ads, and Pinterest is just a search engine, so it's a search engine marketing ad. We come back all the way up to the top. So search engine marketing, paid ads on search engine results pages, not to be confused with SEO, search engine optimization. If someone tells you this, they're the same things, you can refer them to this video because they're not the same thing. Search engine marketing involves you paying for placement in search engines. Because people are looking at search engines every day, it's basically a huge area with ad inventory. So hopefully that clears things up for you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for joining our Surfside PPC beginning series today.